So Canvas is in your left-hand side anytime you start a new project. It's right underneath all of your document lists. And when you open this, you'll actually have a freeform brainstorming tool right at your fingertips for you to storyboard any ideas that you have. You can click this plus sign right here to make a card. I'm going to go ahead and start imagining a plot point. And I'm going to say Claire, a human, is a real estate agent who specializes in finding properties for supernatural residents. Need a dilapidated house. Let's go ahead and click the correction on that. It does have spell check in there. Need a dilapidated house for your slimy monster. What about a reclusive country estate for a vampire? Claire has you covered. So this is a story idea I had a long time ago about the idea of a real estate agency that specializes in finding properties for supernatural, for monsters. So you can go ahead and create this card here, and then you can always generate more like this, which will try to imagine another card that could come after that previous card, such as creating out the plot. So here we have Claire, a human, and we'll put her over here. And now we can choose between Sarah, a satyr, who is a real estate agent specializing in finding properties for supernatural clients in need of a place to hide. So that could be a possible colleague for her, and I'll put it over there. Martha is a werewolf, is Claire's assistant and confidant. She helps smooth out any bumps in the road while dealing with difficult supernatural clients and loves helping people find the perfect property to suit their needs. Okay, I love the idea of Martha, since she can only work, 26 days out of the month. Jake, an odd and mysterious creature, is a paranormal investigator known for gathering evidence of supernatural activity. He lives off the grid and is constantly searching for signs of the other world. So here I actually already have my villain. One thing about the freeform tool is that you can literally move the cards anywhere you want to. You can also always click this visualize button. And what that will do is it'll use the prompt that's in the card, and it will generate an image based from Dolly using your word quota. Each picture costs 100 words. So here we have just a basic photo. Kind of looks like a supernatural dilapidated house, and I could stick that up there. So this is a great tool for you to be able to brainstorm and freeform think about your story. You can zoom in with our plus sign over here on the right-hand side, and you can zoom out so that you can actually make your story world as big as you need it to be. When you're done or you have items that you don't want anymore, just click outside of any of the cards and drag it, and it will start to make a grid that you can highlight the cards, and you can press delete to delete them.